Hey guys, it's Kylie Smith with Bacchus Realty Group. Happy Monday. Just wanted to jump on here and share a quick experience I had with one of our buyers this past weekend. We were writing an offer on a home that was listed as is. So when you see that, don't get scared. We like to reassure our clients that yes, you're expected to take this home in its current condition, and you can't ask the seller for repairs. However, Arizona is a very buyer-friendly state, and there's an inspection period after you go under contract, and typically it's 10 days. You have those 10 days to perform as many inspections as you want. You can have a pool technician come out, a roof technician, anything under the sun. In those 10 days, if you get something back that you are uncomfortable with and do not want to proceed with the escrow process or purchase this home any longer, you can cancel and get your earnest funds back. So yes, again, you are expected to take the home as is, but you have plenty of time to do your due diligence, figure out if this is a right move for you, and if you're comfortable with proceeding after getting those inspection reports back, then you can have that reassurance that you're purchasing a great home. So again, if you see those words, don't get scared. We will guide you through. And if you have any more questions about the buyer process or anything else you can think of, feel free to reach out to me. My email is Kylie, Kylie, at bacchusrealtygroup.com. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.